Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Spocket app for supplier connections in dropshipping, complete guide step by step clearly. To install the Spocket app for supplier connections in dropshipping, begin by accessing the Shopify App Store. In your browser, type Shopify App Store and press enter. Once on the Shopify App Store, use the search bar at the top right corner. Type Spocket into the search bar and press enter. In the search results, locate the Spocket app and click on it. This will take you to the app's dedicated page. Review the app's details, including its features and pricing plans. When ready, click the green Add App button. You will be redirected to your Shopify admin panel for app installation. Log into your Shopify account if prompted. Once logged in, you will see a page outlining the permissions the Spocket app requires. Carefully review these permissions to ensure you're comfortable with them. If everything looks good, click on the Install App button. After installation, you'll be directed to the Spocket setup page. Here, you'll have the option to create a new Spocket account or log in if you already have one. If you're a new user, select Sign Up and fill in the required details, like your email and password. Once you complete the sign-up process, you'll receive a confirmation email. Check your email and click on the confirmation link to activate your account. After confirming your account, return to the Spocket app in Shopify. Log in with your newly created credentials. Now that you're logged in, you'll enter the Spocket dashboard. Here, you can explore various product categories and available suppliers. Use the search function to find specific products or suppliers if needed. To add a product to your store, click on the product to view its details. Select any customization options, such as pricing and description. After customizing, click on the Import to Store button. You can also manage your supplier connections directly from the dashboard. Explore features like order tracking and inventory management to enhance your dropshipping experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.